Yo, what's good, bro? We're back. Got another video. I know it's been a little minute. Anyways, today we're recording a little ride around in the motorcycle. You know, a little moto vlog. If I sound different, it's because I'm doing a little voiceover. Apologies, my microphone died on the bike, so sorry about that. Anyways, we're going around my hometown today, and we're kind of documenting it, I guess you could say. I've been wanting to do this for a little while. Check it out. Oh, all the new buildings that you literally just put up. Also, I'm looking straight in this, by the way. So I'm not distracted driving, I swear, I promise. Except for this car right here, it's kind of sketch. Anyways, back to the point. Yeah, so this is my hometown, this is where I grew up, and I kind of want to document this, you know, before it gets too crazy, because they're putting up car washes and they're putting up storage shit all over the place and all kinds of things that are just kind of useless, and I kind of wanted to just, you know, show you guys what's going on in my area. Maybe it's similar to what is happening in your guys' area, I'm not sure, you know. And also talk about how, like, life is changing. Also, this dude right now is trying to tell me my blinkers are on, and I could not understand for the longest time, I swear. But appreciate you, bro, thanks. Up ahead is one of the big areas they're developing, which you'll see in a minute. Life is kind of, you know, changing up a little bit with this AI stuff and whatnot. I feel like, honestly, personally, it's gonna be a huge difference here soon. Like, give it like 1 to 3 years, dude. I know anyone can say that. Also, I don't want to sound like a kook. I swear I'm not. But like, the world, I feel like it's gonna look mad different. But check this out, dude. This road, literally, probably maybe just got here in like the past 2 months or so. Check it out a little bit. This is all trees right now, as you can see. I don't know why, but they built this one house like in the very back. I'm not sure what the purpose of that was. I know they're gonna build more houses, you know, but like, why right there, if anyone knows? But yeah, so I wanted to show you guys this one house too, and do a little tour, you know, while we're here, why not? Also, this day was so hot, dude. I filmed this like a little bit ago, and man, I was dying, to say the least. So hopefully you enjoy it. These are the brand new houses they just put up. I'm pretty much saying that this is gonna be all developed like not too shortly from now. It'd be cool to do an update too, like one day in the future. Maybe I can come back here and be like, yo, I was in that house, you know? So check this out. Brand new development. This is AI. Totally didn't walk in here. Promise. What a beautiful view. I said, I love this view. Oh. This is gonna all be houses one day, dude. All of it. Alright, back to it. So, yeah, man, these places are getting crazy, you know? Like, I don't know if it just exploded here, like, in popularity or whatnot, but they're building up everywhere. All kinds of things. Houses, this Dollar Tree right here, brand new. Everything, man. So, and also, like I said, I wanted to talk about the AI thing, man, because, like, that, I don't know if you guys seen lately, but the video creation, like, you know, I'm saying AI created, because, you know, it's obvious, what we're talking about here. But dude, the AI videos, I bet, are still stumping you, because, like, sometimes my buddies will be showing me some, and it's like, dude, that's clearly AI, and, you know, they don't have a clue, which is kind of wild. So we're already being fooled by it, so could you imagine, like, what 3 years will do? Also, it's kind of beautiful out here, I'm not gonna lie. I don't come out here too often. Even this road right there was brand new. They built that like a year or two ago, and I remember that was like kind of wild. loving this bike too, man. Just cruising with this thing. This thing's been so good, and like stunting it and like learning, just every part of it has been a great process for me. See, I got these turns coming down pretty good too. It's a bad example, but I've been like killing a few places, like just learning like lane angle and whatnot, all kinds of stuff. This is the next spot I wanted to show y'all. This is a big one in my area. I know you guys don't live here, so it's kind of hard to understand, but like this was completely woods before. I wish I could show you, but I don't have it before and after. It's kind of why I'm filming this now, I guess, is to have that before and after. But this was like straight woods. I used to literally ride my dirt bike back there. Check out these new houses, dude. They put these up quick, and they're like cookie cutter houses too. If you notice, they're kind of like one in every 4 are the same, which is kind of unfortunate. I don't know about you guys, but would you live in one of these houses? Like, I don't know, dude. It to me, it just looks so annoying, like living on top of your neighbor and stuff. I mean, I do that now. Link top hill. But yeah, I couldn't do it, man. Like, this looks way too close. Closer than what I am now. But I want to buy some property with land. I'm yapping anyway, but I actually see a cool kid out here, so I'll let you guys hear this real quick. What up, dog? What you got? Nice board.
It's a sick bike, dude.
I appreciate it. Isn't this shit crazy? Yeah. I don't know if you've lived around here, but they like put this shit up like mad recently, you know?
I mean, it looks new.
Yeah.
You don't even live here yet?
No. This was all woods before. It was crazy, man. I'm just making a video actually, like expressing to the people like how like things are, like times are changing and like Florida's getting like mad busy, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So
I especially noticed that near Hudson.
Yeah.
Near 19.
Yeah.
Shit's popping up all over the place.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. You got kickflips down? What you got?
I'm a noob.
Are you?
Attempt at an ollie.
Let's see it. Can I hop on after?
What?
Can I hop on after?
For sure.
Hell yeah, let's go. Oh, that was good ollie, bro. Hold on. Let me see if I can still do it, bro. It's been a while. Let's see if I got it. Alright. Let me fill your trucks real quick. Damn, these bitches are stiff. Holy shit. You think I gotta pop shove it? Ready? Oh!
Land the shove it. You got this.
Shove it? Okay. We about to be playing a whole game of skate here.
1 in 10.
Oh my gosh, I got that.
It's better than mine.
How not only the area is changing, but like life's changing. Yeah, just explaining like how the world's gonna be changing, I feel like in a couple of years and shit.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
I'm gonna get back to my review. You care if you're in the video?
That's chill.
Alright, appreciate you.
What?
You wanna see a wheelie?
Oh, let's see it.
I got you. Take care, man. Well, that was a really cool, dude. If I just included that clip. It was honestly like exactly what I was like trying to make this video about. Dude's like, yeah, like I grew up and like my shit's all computer stuff, you know what I'm saying? Jeez, I'm sorry. And I'm like, yeah, I kind of did the same, like Instagram and all that shit. So I can't really talk because I make YouTube videos. But I don't know, just what's on my mind, I guess. So it was cool to talk to that kid because he kind of related to me. I didn't really clarify it too well in the video, but he understood what I was saying, which was really dope. Because, like, you know, I wasn't sure if I was, like, kind of just in my own mind, not sure, like, if it was my thoughts on this kind of everything changing thing. There was, like, trails here and everything. It was super fun, man. And I'm not here to say, like, this is a bad thing or this is a good thing, because, honestly, I don't really know, you know? All I know is our trees are not there no more. So, it's a cool rig. Building the road for this right now. Alright, this is actually the second spot I wanted to show y'all. This is the last spot I'm going to be showing you, except for a little pass-through that we're going to be going to in a second. But yeah, this is right across the street from talking with that kid. I forgot his name, sorry. If you look to the left though, these trees in this video, it's been like a week already. They're all gone. Like they destroyed them all, and they're already building something. This is me waving goodbye to them because literally that's what happened. So this is kind of what I want to show you too. This little pass through here. I don't know if they'll do something with this ever or not, but I guess it's cool to document it. You know, me just floating through it real quick. This is a really fun road to go through right here as well. This is like my little corner, I guess, that I practice on a lot. And you get real close to the guardrail. It's kind of fun. I don't know how to explain it. You have to have a bike to understand, kind of. Oh shit, nice. Yeah, man. I believe he just said 500. I kind of just left him in the dust right here. No, not in the dust, but I kind of just dipped off to the right. This is a school that's pretty popular in my area. I used to go here. They changed the colors a bunch of times, but OG school for real. It's kind of crazy, like riding a motorcycle past where I grew up.
Hey. You're gonna be mad at me.
Oh, brother. What'd you do this time?
I was mowing over by your car.
Uh-huh.
And it sucked the bottom of your cover under a little bit. It ain't off about that much.
That's kind of funny. Did it hit the car?
No.
Oh, okay. So yeah, I just want to shoot this real quick for y'all. Sorry about the no mic thing. We're gonna get it fixed in the next one. Enjoy this little wheelie. Appreciate y'all watching, and let's see if maybe things change and I can look back on this video in a couple years or something.